Here is the overview of our application. There are metro stations markers and zip code polygons. The dark blue means that the housing price in this area is higher, and the light blue means that the housing price in this area is lower. And there is also a legend at the bottom left showing the housing price range. So we can zoom in and then click on a single station markers, and it will shows the this station's name and the zip code in this area, and then show the housing price from 2000 to 2025. And we also have prediction table shows the next month, next quarter, and next year. And then we also have metro information. For example, in this station, it's on silver line, orange line, and blue line. And we can also click on um a zip code area, and it will shows the housing price and the prediction number, just like the station um pop up. And then it will show the nearby stations for three closest one. And then for each station, it will show the distance between this station and the center of this zip code area. And for some area there is no previous housing data, so it will show 0 for the price. And for some area, for example, in Annandale, there is no metro station, so we won't show the housing price in this area.
So now I want to talk about our chatbot features. So in our map, you can see that on the bottom right part, there's a little icon that you can click on, which is our chatbot. So after you click on this chatbot, you can type in any questions that are related to our app, which is a DMV area Metro-Centric price. So after user typing any questions, we will turn these questions into a SQL and then use this SQL to retrieve the data out of the database and turn it back to a response and put it back to our chatbot so that the user can know the information they wanted. So here is the examples. What is the top 5 highest price in Alexandria in 2022? So as you can see, our chatbot will execute the program and it will turn these questions into a SQL, and the SQL will get the answer out of the database and turn it back to a proper response. So let's do another try. So the question is, what is the top 3 highest price near orange line in 2022? So now you can see our chatbot can retrieve the highest 3 price near the orange line in year 2022. And we have also did a function that can handling error messages. So if the user asks questions that are not related to our database, for example, what is the highest price in LA in 2020? So our app is focusing on the DMV area. So LA is obviously not in this area. So what happened if we send these questions? Our program will execute it, and then it couldn't get any data out of the SQL using the SQL. So our chatbot will respond that it couldn't get anything from the database. And there's other some small features is that if you ask a normal questions like, "Hi, how are you?" our chatbot will answer that it's just a program, but it can do a SQL extractions for you. So yes, this is our chatbot features.